Where do you start with this car? The technology is absolutely amazing. The power, the flexibility of the engine, but it's not just the engine, it's the suspension, the brakes. As a total package, it's a drag car, it's a track car, and it's a long distance highway grand touring car. It's also not the car for everybody. You can get yourself into a lot of trouble, both with the police, and the car can be overwhelming. It can exceed the skills of the driver. Yeah, you can loop this car around. Like today with the rain, there's no traction. Even if you put it on street, you'll just spin. So you have to respect this car. You have to respect 707 horsepower. We took a look at a 1970 Challenger RT that is a dedicated NHRA drag racing car with a 426 Hemi. It puts out 600 horsepower. The biggest difference between the two is that this is a very heavy car. It weighs close to 4,500 pounds. I think it's 2,020 kilos. That's not including the driver, that's not including fuel. You feel that weight, you feel that mass when you're going through corners. One thing we have to remember is that Chrysler, owned by Fiat, or shares by Fiat, they own Ferrari. And the rumor has it that Ferrari's not too happy that the Challenger Hellcat is starting to be knocking on the door of cars like the 458 Italia.
With Dodge, man, you guys have done a great job. Anyway, I'm Jim Leggett. I'm driving, Driving.ca.